TRX price analysis. TRX finds stability at $0.0783, with upward momentum anticipated. TRX price analysis shows mixed market sentiment. Resistance for TRX is present at $0.0792. Support for TRX USDT is present at $0.0776. As of September 11, 2023, the TRON price analysis shows a picture of stability for TRX USD, with the current price resting at $0.0783. Market sentiment surrounding this crypto pair appears mixed today, with minimal price fluctuations. The most recent candlestick exhibits a blinking pattern, alternating between green and red, indicative of price oscillations hovering around the current level. Over the past week, we witnessed a healthy price growth trajectory, with TRX climbing from $0.0763 to $0.0798. However, this upward momentum was met with resistance, leading to a brief downturn the following day. After a two-day corrective phase, it seems that TRX is once again finding some support in today's trading session. TRX price analysis one-day chart. Bulls and bears fighting for market dominance. In the TRON price analysis within the one-day chart, there's an ongoing struggle between bulls and bears. The bulls are striving to keep the price above the $0.0776 mark. However, their efforts are consistently met with stern resistance from the bears, who are exerting substantial selling pressure. As of the current moment, the TRX USD pair is exchanging hands at $0.0783, but it has experienced a decline of 0.74% over the past 24 hours, primarily due to the persistent influence of bearish sentiment. Nonetheless, it's worth noting that over the course of the last week, the coin has managed to accrue a noteworthy 1.43% increase in value. Additionally, there has been a remarkable uptick in trading volume, surging by more than 24.53%. The volatility started decreasing on September 4, 2023, and has decreased significantly since then as the Bollinger Bands now show convergence, with the upper band at the $0.0796 mark representing the resistance for the price and the lower band at the $0.0754 mark. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, has taken a turn and is moving on a straight line after the price hit $0.0783. The RSI indicates competition between the buyers and sellers to dominate the price function, which is dangling between both sides at the time of writing. TRX, 4 United States dollars hour price chart. Recent developments and further technical indications. The 4-hour price chart for TRON price analysis is also indicating the same market behavior as can be seen. The price mostly recovered during the past 12 hours and also in the first few hours of today's session, but the price fluctuation is comparatively small despite the increasing volatility on the 4-hour chart. The Bollinger Bands show an increase in volatility with the upper band at the $0.0795 mark and the lower band at the $0.0781 mark, making an average at the $0.0788 mark, which now represents the support for TRX USD. The RSI is at index 46 in the lower half of neutral zone. What to expect from TRX price analysis? The TRON price analysis implies a certain degree of price unpredictability, depending on the level of activity from both sides. However, there is a prevailing sentiment favoring a potential recovery for TRX USD, particularly given the recent upward trajectory observed over the past 12 hours. Should this support persist, traders may reasonably anticipate TRX to maintain a position above the $0.0783 threshold in the hours ahead. Nevertheless, in the event that this support weakens, there exists the possibility of a retracement, with TRX USD potentially retracing to the $0.0760 range.